Welcome. If you want to connect Fake AirPods Pro to your Apple Watch, at first you have to go for the settings to your Apple Watch. Next you have to find Bluetooth settings, then turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and when Bluetooth is turned on, we have to open charging case of the Fake AirPods, and then we have to click and hold this button until this button on the back, until this indicator blinks on the white color a few times. So as you can see right now, the AirPods appears on the list, so we can simply tap to connect. So just simply click. Right now we have to wait, and as you can see right now they are connected. So when we put the AirPod to the ear, like that, right now we can hear the characteristical sound. And of course here we get the status of the connection. So as you can see, it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!